Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny, and in this video we're going to be opening the 100k subscribers plaque. So YouTube has kind of changed the way the plaques look now. I've watched a few unboxings and they look different, so I'm excited. I kind of got the new one. Okay, it's right here. Oh my god. If you are subscribed to my channel, hold it right side up, Destiny. So if you subscribe to my channel, you know that we reached 100k in August of 2017. I was kind of going back and forth, like watching different videos on how you get your reward. Basically, all of them were saying the same thing. You pretty much wait and you'll get like this notification saying, hey, claim your reward. So me being me, and then things going on in YouTube, this is the backstory. Don't rush me opening this. We waited a while for this. Don't cut the music on me like how they do on award shows. No, I'm gonna speak a minute. Like, am I gonna get a plaque? Am I not? Because different things started going on with different YouTubers, and YouTube kind of started changing policies and stuff like that. So I was making a joke and I was like, maybe I'm not gonna get a plaque. Like, maybe I'm one of those people that's not gonna get one. So eventually I went ahead and I contacted YouTube. I have that separate footage. I'll probably put it in the vlog or maybe at the end of this video. They emailed me back like exactly the next day, basically saying that they were going to pretty much pass my info on to someone else, have my channel reviewed and all of that. So the very next day after that, I got an email saying that my channel did qualify, and they gave me the code. It's like this, what is it called? I can never think of the right words when I'm recording. Anyway, you put this little thing in to process it, and you double check and make sure the name is correct, address, all of that good stuff. I thought it was gonna take like 8 to 12 weeks, but it came. I started emailing on the 31st. It arrived August the 9th. I didn't want to just open this randomly like any other piece of mail, because this isn't any other piece of mail that you open off camera. This is something that I had to open with you all, because I wouldn't even have this plaque if it wasn't for you all subscribing to my channel. Okay, I'm nervous. Oh my god. Y'all. Okay. It's real holding it, but getting ready to look at it, it's a completely different thing. I had to make sure everything with my camera settings was correct, because this isn't a video that you can refilm, because once I open this, it's too late. Oh, we got a plaque, a whole plaque, guys. It's recording? Okay, because I'm about to open it. I ain't gonna be like, oh, like all the other YouTubers was doing, because I already saw the unboxing, so I knew something was gonna be right here. Okay, and I'm gonna actually read all of this stuff, so I need to read it for my own channel, right? Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your exceptional experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. If your reward was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us at youtubecreator@societyawards.com. I think that's where I sent the email to. Okay, I'm gonna keep this right here while I read it, because once I remove it, yeah, it's gonna get emotional. I watched the girl, she did say the paper felt like nice, high quality paper. I bet y'all like Destiny really, but this is like, yeah, I'm gonna frame this. You've just done something that very few I can't read. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. That is insane. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. It don't sound real until you say it like 6 digits. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. Okay, let me be for real. And we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award. Okay, that's the proper name for it, because I said 100k plaque. Keep reading, Destiny, be quiet. A small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for awards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. I can't wait to see what you do next either. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours true. I mean, why I keep saying stuff that's not there? Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan, CEO YouTube. Nobody ever tries to pronounce her last name, so I'm not going to try to either. Okay, let's open it. Make sure my camera recording, because it be tripping. I can't fake her reaction. Oh! I gotta finish the intro to another video. Come on, Destiny. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god, no, don't do. I don't have a thumbnail photo. I didn't get the thumbnail photo yet. Presented to All of Destiny for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at this. Okay, let me stop crying. I know y'all annoyed with me right now. Hold on. Let me stop crying and come back. I don't want to dab my eyes because I don't know how to dab them because I don't really cry with my makeup on. I'm not going to dab my eyes, but I also don't want to be crying during the entire video. Get it together. This is so beautiful in person. I've watched so many videos like this, but until you get this thing and you're holding it, y'all can see the monitor right now. I don't know how to do this. Let me see. Yep, I was from another video. Y'all can see all the stuff in front of me. Okay, how can I... Whatever is reflecting in the glass, like it's a glass. What y'all are seeing is kind of like my door. Like really reflective, and it looks really pretty. It's kind of heavy too. Somebody did say it was heavy. Actually hold this because I know somebody gonna say I'm being overly dramatic or faking or whatever the case may be. If you're watching me unbox this and you've been subscribed to my channel, then you know me. I've been on YouTube now since July of 2011. That's insane. I didn't really take it that serious at first. I knew nothing about like what it really takes to be a YouTuber, sponsorships, anything like that. I didn't even know you get these. Like I just stumbled upon YouTube. I sound like everybody else, but literally that's how it happens. I found the beauty community. Really, I found the hair community first. I just randomly decided one day, you know, I want to make my own videos. And I remember going into my parents' room and telling them, and my mom was like, you only need a name. I was like, okay, well, let's think on the name. So my mom, not right away, but she said, how about All of Destiny? And at first I was like, what? And she was like, well, you know, because you're into this and you're into that, you're into hair. At the time I wasn't into makeup because I didn't really wear makeup. If y'all have been watching my videos for a while, I did not have ring lights and all of that. I was just sitting in the sunroom and trying to film on this little Sony camera. I started off on a webcam. Really, that was for like Skype. That was all I had at the time. I talk off the top of my head, by the way. Y'all know this by now. Sometimes when you ask people, you know, what camera to use, whatever, there's this motto. And I think I quoted this in the 100K giveaway as well. This is something that I kind of, amongst other things, live by. And the quote says, do what you can with what you have where you are. So somebody somewhere would tell you, well, you may, you know, you need to get a ring light, this DSLR, blah, blah, blah. There's more than one way to do things on YouTube. There's more than one way to grow your channel on YouTube. No one specific thing can do that. I'm pretty sure everybody has a cell phone. Wipe it off, keep pushing. I mean, most people wouldn't encourage that, but I guess I'm not most people, huh? Yeah, my vlogging camera broke, so this is what I do my vlogs on. You just make do with what you have. Sure, the quality, better quality may, well, I won't even say that. That's not necessarily true. Better quality won't get you more subscribers, but I don't feel like that. I feel like content is more so important. For me, I guess someone would say, like, it took you that long. Like, you've been here since 2011. But everybody's journey is different. Everybody's experience is different. What may take somebody 2 years, taking me 6 years, or I guess, well, actually getting it now 7 because I didn't get it last year when we got 100K in August of 2017. All in all, because I lose my thought if I start going too long in parentheses, is how I feel like I speak in parentheses. I'm that speaker. Basically what I'm saying is, do your own thing on YouTube, period. Let me straighten up. I've never tried to compare myself to other YouTubers. It can kind of, hold on, let's fix this hair. It can go there sometimes to where you feel like, oh, well, this girl says she's been doing it for 6 years and she has this many subscribers. But that's, you know, that's her channel, that's her journey. You take it at your own pace, own race. I want to thank you all so much for supporting my channel, just kind of like the letter said. It's crazy and insane to think that 100,000 people subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's crazy. Oh, let me show y'all the back, because I was wondering, like, how do you hang it? There's these little things on the back. I gotta decide where I'm gonna hang this though, because I don't never film in the exact same spot. This is gonna be in my background, by the way, so prepare for that. Like, imagine that. To some people, 2,000 may not be a lot, and people say things like, I only have 2,000 subscribers. Imagine presenting your content in front of 2,000 people. So now imagine 100,000 people. For whatever reason you all subscribe to this channel, you did subscribe, and comment and tell me if you want to tell me why you subscribe to my channel, because I would really like to know. Because people ask me all the time, how do you get all these subscribers, and how do you have so many followers? And I literally tell people sometimes I don't know. I feel like the person that subscribed could tell me more why they subscribed than me trying to tell someone why I think somebody else subscribed. All over the place. But this is me. For a moment you can kind of slowly feel like you want to adjust your personality a little bit. But then I go back and I watch old videos from like 2011 where there wasn't a thought in my mind about editing something out if that was me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm slowly getting back into that, and I'm glad, because for like this much of a moment I started to be like, oh, edit that out. Nah, don't say that. Or, oh, maybe I shouldn't say this. But now All of Destiny is here to stay. She's not going anywhere. I didn't expect to be this emotional. I thought I was going to sit down and open my plaque and tell you all thank you for the support and for subscribing to my channel and just being here for however many years, days, months. I truly appreciate that. I appreciate each and every one of you so very much. Look at this. It's beautiful. Oh, goodness. Oh my God. And y'all know what's so funny? I didn't even say, hey y'all, this is All of Destiny. When I first started, I would be sitting down in the sunroom. I would have to hurry up and film like while I had daylight. Now I got a ring light and it's like 10:52 at night, so we good. But I would be like, let me get in that monotone voice that I used to say it in to attempt to be like a perfect little YouTuber. What is that? Like, what is that? Okay, hey YouTube. Hey YouTube, it's All of Destiny, and today I'm going to show you all my January 2012 relaxer results. People are watching me, not YouTube. So I was like, why do I say that? Just randomly, just off the top of my head one day, I was like, hey y'all, this is All of Destiny, and it just clicks now. Except for today. Today is the only day I've ever hesitated my intro like that, I feel. Yeah, I probably edited out me struggling to even say it. It's like you literally watch a person grow. I wasn't wearing makeup when I started my YouTube channel. Wasn't slaying wigs when I started my YouTube channel. Like, I just want to truly thank you all so very much for the support. I really appreciate it. I hope that you all believe me when I say that, because I really do mean it from the bottom of my heart. You all do not have to watch my video. You all don't have to watch anyone's. Well, I'll speak just about myself. You all don't have to watch my videos. You don't have to comment. You don't have to even go so far as to follow me on Instagram and Twitter and like interact with me outside of my videos, like clicking the like button. Anything that you do to show that you support what I'm doing and what I'm enjoying to upload and post and share with you all on YouTube, I just want you to know that it does not go unnoticed, and I greatly appreciate it, because it's your own free will to support my channel and you choose to do so. Yeah, what's next from here? I don't know. I just go with the flow. That's just me, like, in life, period. But I hope that you all will stick around for, hey, who's to say, the next 6 years. I feel like I need to come down off my high and finish this video, because I'm just like, not literally high. Whoa, people will take that and run with it, Destiny. My emotional excitement of opening this plaque, this beautiful thing. Now they go down like after the Super Bowl and everybody just touch it and just, that's what I wish we could do right now. Like, anyone that's thinking about starting a YouTube channel, I know people always ask questions like, how do you start a YouTube channel? I want to start a YouTube channel. But if you want to start a YouTube channel, just like any other social media site that you're on, Instagram, Twitter, for like literally youtube.com, click sign up. Don't wait. Like, don't put it off. There is no need to keep putting it off for whatever reason, an excuse that you keep on making. Just do it. I know some people feel like YouTube is so many people on YouTube, but literally there is an audience, a community, support for every, obviously things don't happen overnight, so don't get discouraged. I'm gonna make a separate how to start a YouTube channel video, because I don't want this to randomly turn into that, not off the top of my head. That's something I want to actually plan out. I must just be going on and on about nothing because the camera stopped on me, luckily, because I kind of am just going on and on about nothing. I'm happy. I'm really happy right now. Like really heavy. And I keep eyeballing this crystal sandwich because my sister brought it to me, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna eat it after I film. So thank you to YouTube, to Rick, and all of my subscribers. I love each and every one of you. I appreciate you all so very much. Questions or comments, be sure to leave all of that down below. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye.